Hi, Jackie Van Ruler, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about regaining your sense of taste and smell. So if you've lost your sense of taste or smell, you know how annoying it can be to have things taste or smell off or to not be able to taste them at all. In fact, I just ran into a guy at a coffee shop who has lost his sense of taste and smell for over 6 months. He's lost like 20 some pounds, but he says it just like it makes him sick to cook certain things because the smell is just so off. So I showed him a couple of points, and you could tell that one of his points was super stuck. And so I had him just massage that with his fingers every day, and I'm kind of waiting to hear back. Hopefully he'll be coming back to the coffee shop soon, and we can see if he's regained that sense of taste and smell. So most people that I work with regain it slowly, so it does take some time. It's not going to happen overnight. So this is something that you're going to want to do on a regular basis, probably at least 2 to 3 times a day. So get out your magic wand. If you don't have a magic wand, you can use your fingers, but you will get better results with using a detector. The first point we're going to work is halfway between the inner brow and the hairline. If you don't have a hairline, just guesstimate where it would be. And then you're going to work this spot that's halfway in between. This is for the olfactory nerve. This spot actually does quite a few things, but the main thing we're using it for here is to activate that olfactory nerve and to get that sense of smell regained. So just do some circles in there, about 10 to 15 seconds, and then move on to the other side. If either side feels more lumpy or bumpy than the other one, it's probably a good sign that you do not have good energy flow to the olfactory nerve on that side. Next, we're going to want to work some points that are going to activate salivation. And that's really important because salivation, it helps to break down amylase in the food that you eat, so it makes it taste sweet, and it's the first sense of taste that you get in your mouth. So we're going to work our spleen point in line with the flare of the nose, directly underneath the iris of the eye. And again, nice and slow. Work it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then we're going to work the other spleen point, which is halfway between the brow and the hairline and about 2/3 of the way back on the brow. So about right in this area. If you're not exactly sure where you are, just work a larger area. It's not going to hurt anything. It can be really helpful if you take like an essential oil or something like that. And just notice how much of your sense of smell that you get back. I took a class for a week last summer, and I was working with one girl who had lost her sense of smell, and she did that, and by the end of the week she had regained it. Probably, she said, about 30 to 50%, so it does happen pretty fast. Next, work up and down this front side of the ear, particularly working this spot where the earlobe attaches to the face. And this is also going to activate salivation, and this also closes up the formula. So it's a pretty quick formula. Once you know the spots, you can just work them on your own. You don't need to follow along with the video. But again, I would do that a few times a day. It will come back slowly, but it will come back quickly as you do it on a regular basis. So don't give up if you don't notice anything in a day or two. It will probably come back noticeably over a couple of days. All right, as always, thanks for watching. Please share this video with anybody who can use it today, and I will see you in the next video.